Yes, my peeps. Yes, my peeps. All right. So everybody wants to see what I go on for the squirrel. So here what I go on. We're gonna cover the squirrel. Yeah. So without further ado, y'all already know. Welcome back to the channel, hunting and fishing Cardo's way. And a couple weeks ago we shot some squirrel and we're gonna cook them up today. And I think we're gonna use some curry powder. First thing we're gonna do is get the oil hot in this pot right here, and then we put some curry in it and let the curry burn. So, let's go. No time to waste. Curry squirrel in the place. Curry squirrel. Chef Cardo, Chef Cardo, Chef Cardo. Hunter, fisherman, chef, all in one. Yeah. Already got some onions and stuff cut up, setting aside. We have the squirrel and we still have a dove. You know what I mean? Yeah, been sitting for a couple days now. So let's get into it. Let's get into it. Like I said, first we're gonna do is burn the curry. Let's burn some curry. Yeah. Like have a little bit just for the color. You know what I mean? Yeah. 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 See? Curry I burn. Because we know the grease already hot, we just go ahead and put everything in there and then go on stir fry. See it then now? Oi. Bad so. Alright, we're going to get some stir fry. Yeah, just a little stir fry. Alright, so I'm ready for add my seasoning. Yeah, my onion and stuff. Yeah. Yeah. Boy, if the camera could have bring some scent, I tell you, the smell is off the chain. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Oh yes. Looking so good. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that. There you have it. Curry squirrel is on the way. You go let this cook for about an hour. And then we'll check it again. Alright, my peeps. We see it coming on. It's coming on. Bubbly. So now we decide to pressure it. So yeah, we have to give it a little pressure. So we go pressure for about 15 to 20 minutes. Stick around. Alright, so it's been about 15 minutes since it's been pressuring. So as soon as it cool down, we go take a look. Alright. Let's see what we got here. See that? That means squirrel well cooked. Yeah. Mm, mm, mm. You want to taste it, guys. I'm telling you, you want to taste it. Let me see the bird. See? Nice thick gravy. Oh, yes. Time for a plate. All right. Get some rice and peas. So I want like a piece of it. I want like a tail on it. Yeah. But get some gravy. Hold on, they get me a spoon now. A spoon. Get some gravy. Man, another piece of the bird there. And another piece of squirrel, a fat piece. Yes, peeps. There you have the curry squirrel. Yeah. I could try this again with the rice now. Let's see what it look like. Oh yeah. Squirrel on deck. Mm. Mm. It's bad, man. I'll tell you. Squirrel, nothing like it. Nothing like it. Curry squirrel. Try it. Yeah, guys. So there you have it. Curry squirrel. Just make sure you like, share, comment. Let me know what you think. Curry squirrel. Let me know if you go try it. And stay tuned for the next video. We go. Don't even know what we're going to do yet. But you know. We go have some content coming your way. So make sure you hit the subscription bell. And make sure you are here on time. I'm out.